Estate Planning Awareness Week is coming up, and according to a recent study, only 1 in 4 Americans have a will. Joining us now is Jill Schlesinger, CBS News Business Analyst. Welcome, Jill. So what are the most important documents we need to have?
I know a lot of folks think estate planning, not for me, I don't have a lot of money, but you probably still need a will. This is a legal document that ensures your assets are passed to your designated beneficiaries, who you choose, in accordance with your wishes. Now remember, if you don't have a will, your state of residence, that's New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, that state of residence will determine who should get what, and then the local probate court's going to divvy up your estate according to a preset formula. So when you draft a will, what happens is you name someone called an executor. That's a person, it can be an institution, that oversees the distribution of your assets. And if you have minor children, this is where you name a guardian for them. Unfortunately, I think this is where the process really breaks down among young couples. They can't decide who's going to take the kids if something bad happens. Pick somebody, and you can always change it down the road.
Now, in addition to a will, what else do we need?
There are 2 other important documents: a healthcare proxy, which allows you to appoint someone to make a healthcare decision on your behalf if you lose the ability to do so. And then there's a durable power of attorney. This allows you to appoint someone who will act as your financial agent in lots of different circumstances, like withdrawing money from a bank or responding to a tax inquiry. You don't have to be dying to need this kind of person. You could just be laid up for a while, so it's good to have it in place.
And can we do these things online to reduce costs?
Well, I think it's gotten a lot easier and less expensive over the last decade or so. And, by the way, a lot of companies now offer legal services as part of their benefit package, so check that out. I think if you've got a straightforward situation, sure, use an online service. Some of these services have small fees. Some of them have lawyers to guide you. Others are just software. Now, if there are any complications, I'm talking about a second marriage, family estrangement, a special needs family member, or a partnership or ownership in a small business, maybe you've got significant assets, please use a qualified estate planning attorney in your state of residence.
All right, such important advice, Jill. Thank you very much. And you can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News. For more analysis, go to JillOnMoney.com.